गुड मॉर्निंग गाइज, हाउ आर यू? आई होप एवरीवन विल बी फाइन। आप लोग कैसे हो? अच्छे हो? आज मैं चैप्टर नंबर 6 एनिमल लाइफ स्टाइल के बारे में बात करूँगा। ओके, टुडे आई विल डिस्कस द चैप्टर नंबर 6 एनिमल लाइफ स्टाइल फॉर द क्लास 5th। And as you know, on the earth different types of animals are present and they live on the different places. They live in ocean and desert, and also they live in the many animals live on water and many other places they live. Okay, and different animals have the different lifestyle. Okay, so the body structure and shape of the animals are different, but they have performed certain function like the breathing, movements, and feeding. Different animals have the different types of breathing and feeding and the movements. So today I will discuss the respiratory system, breathing system in the different types of animal. So firstly I will discuss human respiratory system, and the terms is the breathing. What is the meaning of breathing? The definition of breathing: exchange of gases in the humans and any animals, that is called breathing. Breathing means exchange of gases. The animals takes the oxygen and removes the carbon dioxide, that are called breathing. And second terms is the respiration. Breathing and respiration both are little bit different. Breathing, exchange of gases, and respiration include the breathing, and after including the breakdown of food is called respiration. As you seen in the animals and plants, both requires the food for the energy, and in the plants perform photosynthesis for the formation of food. After the formation of food, by the process of photosynthesis, the food will break down and release some energy, and the breakdown of food is called respiration, and exchange of gases is called breathing. So you can include the breathing in the respiratory system. Okay, so now I will discuss the human respiratory system. Human can, in the different animals, different types of respiratory organs present. Like in the humans, with the help of lungs they respire, and in the fish requires gills for the breathing, and frog skin are the organs for the breathing. So in the different animals, different respiratory organs present. So in the humans, the respiratory organs are the lungs. Two lungs are present in the human for the respiratory system. So it is called the respiratory organ for the humans. Let's see. The air passes through the nostril. In the human, one nose are present. You can see one nose and two opening are present in the nose, that are called nostril. Two opening of the nose are called nostril, and the air will pass through this nostril, and the cavity inside the nose are called nasal cavity. This is the cavity inside the nose, that are called nasal cavity. The air pass through the nostril and goes to the nose nasal cavity, and then pass to the larynx. Okay, larynx is the sound producing organ. This is the sound box. With the help of larynx we produce the sound. This is the larynx. Okay, in the male and female different types of larynx present. So different types of larynx. In the female they speak sweet, and in the birds syrinx are present. So the loud of birds are different from the humans, and there are the pharynx, and air will pass through the nostril and the nasal cavity, and then goes through the trachea. This is a trachea, and this is trachea is known as windpipe. Okay, in besides the trachea, oesophagus are present. Suppose this is the trachea and this is the oesophagus. Both are closely to each other. and trachea is called the windpipe, and esophagus is called the food pipe, and on above the trachea is the box, okay, that is called glottis, and upper side the glottis are present, and this is the closing and opening box, okay, and on the upper side of the esophagus one box, like as you can say above the esophagus one box present that close and open the pipe, that box is called gullet. Suppose this is the epiglottis, एक पाइप है और इसके ऊपर एक ढक्कन है, ठीक है, इस ढक्कन को कहते हैं ग्लॉटिस। विंड इसमें से पास होगा तो एक जो ढक्कन होता है ये ओपन हो जाता है, ठीक है, और एक एयर जो है इसमें पास हो जाता है। इसी के जस्ट बगल में ओइसोफेगस होता है और इसके ऊपर एक ढक्कन होता है, इसका नाम होता है गलेट, और जो फूड इसको कहते हैं फूड पाइप। जब फूड हम लोग खाते हैं तो फूड जो है इस ओइसोफेगस में जाता है, इस पाइप में जाता है, तो ढक्कन ओपन होता है। जब फूड अंदर चला जाता है तो ढक्कन क्या होता है, क्लोज होता है। सो यू कैन सी द विंड पाइप एंड फूड पाइप बोथ आर क्लोजली टू ईच अदर। सो ड्यूरिंग द eating the food we should not talk, okay, we should not laugh during the eating the food, because the both pipes, food pipe and wind pipes, so both are closed, okay, and then air will pass into the trachea, that is called windpipe, and about the trachea cartilage are present, a ring of cartilage are present, and then trachea divide into two parts and goes into the both lungs. This is the left lungs and this is the right lungs, and down the lungs diaphragm are present, and the shape of diaphragm is dome shaped, okay, and then trachea divides further two parts, like that. Trachea are divides further two parts, that is called bronchus, and many times this bronchus will divide further two parts, these are divided further two parts, okay, like as same near about 200 to 250 times this bronchus will divide, that is called bronchi, okay. The bronchus will divide into the primary bronchi, and then in secondary bronchi, and in tertiary bronchi. Many times these bronchus will divide into two parts, okay, and after division, many further division, after near about 200 to 250 times they divide and forms the balloons like shape. This is forms the balloons like shape, that is called alveoli, and the air will pass to the alveoli and collect here, and in the lungs a lot of blood vessels are present, and in the blood vessels they carry the oxygen and moves all the parts of the body, and they removes the carbon dioxide throughout the body, and inside the diaphragm, downside the lungs diaphragm are present, that are dome shaped. Suppose बाबा रामदेव को आप लोग याद कर सकते हो, वो योगा कराते हैं, अनुलोम विलोम, सांस लेते हैं, ओके, इन exit and exit the air.